Right, what I've got here is a bit of a different setup. Still the same machine, going into a 3/8, into a trigger, into a lance, going into a 1/4 inch pipe, but at the end here I have a 1/8 nozzle. I haven't tried this yet, but I like my experiments, so I'm going to start it up and see how it goes. Pull the trigger and see what happens. Oh, that was pretty powerful actually. I feel I've done a wrong in here. I'm standing in the wind. A little soaked. That is a 1/8 hose, 1/8 nozzle. That looks pretty good actually. I've got it on a 10 metre 1/4 inch hose, high pressure hose. I want to see what the PSI is on this. At the moment, pushing out 2,200. Try and get a bit nearer without getting wet. That looks fairly powerful, that one. I should be putting that down my drain next time I do a clean. I'm quite surprised with that. But all the experiment is reducing the nozzle size so I get a higher pressure. So it's coming from a 3/8 into a 1/4 inch into a 1/8. So I should be trying that next time I go into my drains, and I'm quite impressed with that actually. I've got a bush in here. This is a 1/4 inch into a 1/8 with a little 1/8 nozzle. Right.